No time to waste under the setting sun as daylight fades. Close your eyes and jump into our wildest dream. Wildest dreams. Into a world created by design, and it's ours until the end of time. Into our wildest dreams. Into our wildest dreams. Into our wildest dreams. Our wildest dreams. Do you believe that there's something to see? Follow me into our wildest dreams.
Si Ashley yung tipo na bata na may mapapagkamala mo siyang suplada, pero pag naging kaibigan, napakabait, tsaka napaka-responsableng anak, lalo sa pag-aaral, hindi pabaya sa pag-aaral. Wala kaming problema pagdating sa
We
pag-aaral.
are very lucky na naging anak namin siya kasi kung ano man ang maiiwan namin sa kanya, mapangalagaan niya ng maayos.
Will be the day, it all will
Please make some noise to Kate Ashley.
in my way.
Happy birthday, happy legality. I'm so happy na right now you're surrounded with all the people that love and supports you.
I was made to dream that anything.
Siya yung minsan yung nagbibigay pa ng advice sa amin. Parang siya pa yung matured sa amin. Kasi pag minsan may mga pagkakamali ako na siya pa yung, ma, hindi dapat ganyan, ang gawin mo ganyan ganito.
Will be the day, it all will change. Nothing, no one's in my way. Today will be the day.
Ang may advice ko lang sa kanya na i-enjoy niya yung every seconds na dumadaan sa buhay niya kasi hindi niya na maibabalik yan. Huwag niya madaliin yung buhay.
Malasakit na anak. May malasakit siya na anak kasi unika iha din namin yan.
Tapusin mo ang pag-aaral mo at maging mabuting tao ka palagi. At may takot sa Diyos.
I wish you na maganda ang iyong kinabukasan at lagi kang happy at in good health.
This is the day. This is the day. Today.
Always remember, nandito lang ako to cry with you, laugh with you, and fight with you. I will never get tired of listening sa worries mo. Hindi ako magsasawa tanggalin yan. I am always available when you need me. And I am always available when you need someone to vent to.
I wish na lahat na pangarap niya, matutupad niya.
At pagpatuloy niya lang yung magandang sinimulan niya, lalo sa pag-aaral. Yung pangarap niya, matupad yung mga pangarap niya. Basta nandito lang kami lagi. At yung kalusugan niya, maging maayos. At wag din makakalimot magpasalamat lagi sa Diyos.
It will be the day.